Welcome! Today I'm going to prepare something special for my loved one, and this is special bowl of ice creams, healthy ice creams for my beautiful husband. First things first, bananas. I have here 6 frozen bananas. So first you need to cut bananas and just put to the freezer for at least 4 hours. Then just put everything to the blender. And this is our main ingredient. So can you imagine healthy ice creams, super creamy, delicious, that you can eat without any limits? Wow! When I found it out, I was just, blown away. I have been eating that every day or a few times a day. Still I'm eating. You can see that on my Instagram. It's a lot of that. That's my production. Cashew milk. I made it myself. Actually, everything I do, I like to know what I'm eating, so I'm doing myself most of the food that I eat. So like 1/4 of the glass. Maybe you will wait just like 30 seconds because it's really frozen, the banana. Let's wait. We can dance in the meantime while waiting and drink some water. Always drink a lot of water. Let's start. Look at that. It's no Photoshop, it's real. It's crazy, this color, It's pink pitaya, it's superfood, it's super healthy, it makes food unbelievable. Look at that. Look at that, oh my god, look at that. This is crazy. Look at this texture. Oh my god. Pure bananas, can you imagine? Okay, now we need to be really quick because it's melting. Look at that, oh my god. Like super creamy. Right, so now I will try to recreate this sign. Oh my god! Now we need to be really quickly because it's melting everything and we go to shoot photos on Instagram. Yeah! It's ready, we just finished shooting, and really, if you try one time, you would like to have it every day. Those are the best ice creams ever. So that's for you. Lots of love, and write me in the comment if you want to know any new recipes or whatever, if you have questions. And remember, stay fit, eat clean, peace!